Good morning, students. Today we will discuss exercise 2.5, example number 18. Example 18 is on page number 33, book Prachi 7th class. You can see from there also, and here also you can understand. Express minus 5.6 as a rational number. If any question will be given likewise, that this rational number we have to show that with numerator minus 15, means this is the rational number given to us. Now with which number we will multiply to numerator so that we will get minus 15. So just don't see the numerator. You have not to see the numerator. You have to see the numerator, just don't see denominator. Once if you will not see denominator, just see the numerator. So minus 5, if we will multiply 3, 5 3 ja 15 and minus sign we will get. So we will get numerator as minus 15, and with which number we will multiply to numerator, we have to multiply to denominator also. So answer will be minus 15 upon 18, but condition of question first is getting complete. We need numerator and minus 15, so we got this. Second part, denominator as minus 18, denominator as minus 18. By which number if we will multiply to 6 so that we will get minus 18 as denominator. Here also don't see numerator, just see denominator. By which number 6 you will multiply, so we should get denominator as minus 18. So if I will multiply with 3, then 18 we will get, and if I will take minus sign, then minus 18 we will get. So we got denominator minus 18, and I have told in first part by which number we will multiply to numerator, we have to multiply to denominator also. Same here, if denominator we multiplied with minus 3, so numerator also we need to multiply with minus 3. So we got 15 upon minus 18. But the condition of question second, denominator as minus 18 we got. So likewise if question will be given, then you have to do like this. So now your homework for today's your homework, exercise 2.5, example 18 and question number 7, 8, 9, 10, same like this example. That's why these questions also need to do in Fair Notebook. Some students are doing just this example on Fair Notebook and then they are sending me for checking. You need to solve this question number 7, 8, 9, 10 also. This I have told you one method how to solve like these questions. So question number 7, 8, 9, 10, same like this example, you need to solve yourself. Firstly try to solve in rough notebook, match the answer behind the book, and then solve in Fair Notebook, then send to me for checking. And if you are solving on this page, suppose example 18, then write exercise 2.5 example 18, and then after that send me pic. If on the next page you are doing question number 7 and 8 suppose, then write exercise 2.2. up on page you will write exercise 2.5, not 2.2, 2.5, question number 7, 8. Then you will solve 7 and 8. Which parts are there? Suppose A, B part, then you will give the name question number 7 A part, question number 7 B part. Don't give numbering to questions by yourself. Whatsoever number is given in book, that only you have to give in notebook while solving, so that I can check properly. And write your name down and mention which exercise, which sum you are solving or example you are solving. Okay, one note is written here, that also you read and do work properly in Fair Notebook. Okay, thank you students.